Good day. Today we're going to be looking at exponent rules as a review for the exponential and logarithmic function section. So I'm going to scroll down and let you look at the rules on the left. You have the product rule, and that is where if you're multiplying the same base, you add the exponents. Quotient when dividing the same base, subtract. Power, if you have an exponent raised to a power, and then that is raised to a power, you multiply the exponents. Power of a product rule. So if you have parentheses on the outside, you can distribute the exponents. Same thing if it's a quotient. The zero exponent rule, anything raised to the zero power is 1 other than 0. The negative exponent rule is a reciprocated value, so it's 1 over x to the a exponent. And a fractional exponent rule, the denominator is the nth root of the function. Now I'm going to do an example of each of these, and then I will let you pause the video, try the remainder, and show you the answers. Alright, I'm going to do about one per topic. 3, y cubed times y to the 9th. This is the same thing as y to the power of 3 plus 9, which is y to the 12th power. For the quotient rule, number 2 is h to the 10th minus 5, which is the same as h to the 5th, finished. Power rule, this is x to the 5th times 2, or x to the 10th power. Power of a product rule, this is 2 to the 3rd, x to the 3rd. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, so this is 8x cubed. Power of a quotient rule, this is x squared divided by 3 squared, which is x squared divided by 9. Anything raised to a power of 0 is 1. Negative exponent, I am reciprocating my number, 1 over x, and then to the positive 4th power. Fractional exponent rule. My denominator, let's do number 3. My denominator, in this case the 5, is the power of my root, so I'm going to do the 5th root of x, and the numerator is still a square. Now this is congruent to, meaning you can write it either way, of the 5th root of x, and then this entire thing to the square. Alright, take a moment, try the rest of these questions, pause the video. Now here is the answers. Okay, that's it. Have a great rest of your day.